CGTX stock analysis and price predictions for Cognition Therapeutics. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. As I'm looking at CGTX, we are 12% off Friday, which seems like it's a great performance. Now, generally, just looking at this, I'm just going to zoom out and show you the broader picture. This was a runner, a very beautiful runner, but then came down, hit break-evens, which kind of sucks, but welcome to trading. It's part of trading. And then it started to pump up yet again. Like, my directional bias on this, genuinely speaking, is still going to be obviously the long, but it's just that I'm not going to still like come here and randomly start buying. I hope I see some sort of like a pull down and a double break, because in reality, it's only then when I can really buy and pull the trigger on this. But all I will be doing in the meantime is I'll just still keep waiting for rules to be met. That's where we're sitting at. So let me know what is your opinion on CGTX. Like short-term targets could easily just be the previous highs here. But other than that, if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.